Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can filter unread messages in Telegram application. Okay, let's get into it. First thing first, let's just open up our Telegram application. Now my Telegram application has been opened and we can go to the Telegram setting. Click on this three lines on the top left and you have to open the settings. Okay, and here we have a lot of options and we have to select the chat folders. Okay, and if you want to folder your unread messages in your Telegram application, you have to add the unread folder. Then just click on this add, and now the unread folder has been added, and I'm going to check it on my Telegram chat list. And this is the unread messages in my Telegram. Alright guys, and that's how we can filter unread messages in Telegram application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.